Welcome everyone. Today let us learn some words in Dinka language. We will change them from Dinka to English. 1. Achimuk. Achimuk means witch doctor. Apep. Apep. Apep means magician. Achak. Achak means tick. Abolong. Abolong means mushroom. Abik. Abik. Abik means floor. Adwom. Adwom. Adwom means hole or pit. Agamlong. Agamlong. Agamlong means interpreter. Agal. Agal. Agal means black stock bird. Alal. Alal. Alal means parrot. Kidang. Kidang means something. Something. Kidang. Apap. Apap. Apap means good. Kipap. Kipap means good thing. Something good. Kipap. Kiraj. Kiraj. Kiraj means bad thing. Bad thing. Korpo. Korpo. Korpo means nausea. Kun. Kun. Kun means last born. Kun. Kai. Kai. Kai means first born. Mabior. Mabior means white color. Machar. Machar means black color. Malwal. Malwal means red color. Mayan. Mayan means yellow color. Mangok. Mangok means green color. So this is the end. Please, if you like this one, follow for more Dinka lesson. Also go to TikTok, learn Dinka with Majak. Follow me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.